Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're going to be making a recipe that you have been asking for a few months. It's my pickled onions, and it's actually my mom's recipe, which she got from my grandma. So anyway, this recipe has been passed on. It's super simple and super delicious. So we're going to get started with the ingredients and a really quick step-by-step. Okay, so for the ingredients, so we're going to start off with our onion. You will need some red onion, some lemon. These are just regular, organic lemons. Then we have some salt. We have our dried oregano and the apple cider vinegar that does contain the mother. So this is what you'll need. It's super, super, super simple, and you are going to be obsessed. Like, this is what I use when I make my tacos, when I make tostadas, even like on an omelet, because it has like that tangy, like tart that you sometimes need with like certain meals. Okay, and now for my least favorite part. So onions make me cry like a baby. I swear, like my eyes start burning, the whole nine. So I found out that if you don't cut the ends because they start to bleed, then you shouldn't cry. So we're gonna put it to the test. Okay, let's peel this little guy. And I swear my eyes are just, if they start burning, this is a big fat lie. But let's go ahead and cut them. I'm gonna cut them really thin. I'm gonna try to, thinly cut these because they are for, the thinner they are, they good. Okay, I guess at this point we just have to cut the little tail off. Okay, I'm just gonna, just as thin as you can. If you have a mandolin slicer, I mean, that's obviously a lot quicker and you don't have to worry about crying, but so far my eyes are still doing okay. And if you want to get all professional, you're supposed to like put your fingers like this, but guys, I'm just about that savage life. Okay, and here we have our 3 onions. Beautiful. Okay, my eyes just started to burn a little towards the end. Now, I did want to mention, I'm making a big batch because we are super obsessed with this here at home. Like, between Nathi and I, we can finish one of these bowls like within 2 days. I know it's a lot of onion, but I swear it's so good. So let's say you just want to give it a shot and you're like, oh, I don't know if I want to, make 3 onions because you want to, try it out first. Then you can half everything. So maybe just do 1 large onion, because I use 1 large and 2 small. So maybe just 1 large and then half all the ingredients that I'm about to go over. Okay, so now let's go on to the next step. Okay, and now we're just going to start with our lemon. So I'm using, just a regular lemon squeezer because I want to get everything out. Ooh. Okay. And we're going to go through all of our lemons. You definitely want enough lemon juice. If you have like even an extra lemon, you can, but this should be enough for our 3 onion. Ooh. I think I got these at Trader's, so I'm happy with. You know how sometimes you get some lemons and they're all dry and it's like you're just trying to get a few drops out of them? These seem pretty juicy, so happy about that. So I'm going to make sure that that is enough lemon right now. It should. We ended up using our 4 lemons. And my hands are clean, so I'm going to make sure that they are, yeah. So if you come close, you can see that there is enough lemon juice. And so the lemon juice takes the spiciness away from the onion. So now you're going to pour in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And now we're gonna do our oregano. So this is just dried up oregano, 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then we're also going to add our salt. Salt is to taste, but you definitely, I would start off with like at least half a teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon, but if you're trying to be like cautious about it, then I would, I would start off with a half teaspoon, taste it, make sure that it's good to go, and then add the other teaspoon. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix it up. And you can taste it and you'll know if it needs, you know, a little bit more oregano, a little more salt. But it takes about, I would say at least you want to make these maybe a couple hours before you want to add it to tacos or anything like that. You want them to be a little softer and you don't want the spiciness from the onion. So it takes about a couple hours before that it's, you know, before it's ready. Okay, so I wanted you guys to take a look at how they've softened so much. This has only been 15 minutes, okay? So technically you don't need to let them sit for 2 hours. If you make this really quickly, like before you get some, you know, dinner on the table, you can serve within 20 minutes. I made a quick cheese shell. Okay, so we have it here. I didn't flip it over because I wanted the inside to be cheesy like this. So now I'm going to stuff it and we're gonna make a quick taco. So this is some leftover carne molida, which is ground beef from yesterday. And I'm just going to stuff our little taco. I wanna show you how we do this. Okay, here, we're just gonna throw it all in because we're about that savage life. And we're definitely not about that skimpy life. So, you see all that? Now we're gonna top it with a little bit of sour cream, okay? So, and it looks a bit messy, but I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, so now that we have our sour cream in there, we are going to use our pickled onions, okay? Look at this deliciousness here. And we are just gonna top our taco off, okay? And to finish it all off, we're gonna use some of our homemade salsa. And here you have a low-carb taco with your pickled onions. So you guys know this is my absolute favorite part, time for the taste test. So I don't know if you could see that, but this right here, my friends, is where it's at. Like, you don't even miss the tortilla. Now, let's see. It's so good. Wow. Seriously, the onions just give it that, like, I don't know, like that tanginess that you need in a taco. Okay guys, so I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. It's so simple. It's seriously one of my favorite recipes because it goes with everything, whether it's eggs or the green egg skillet or the chorizo skillet. I mean, literally on anything. So make sure that you make them and tag me on Instagram so that I can share it on my stories. I hope you guys really enjoy it. And until next time, mwah, see you soon. Now I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my taco. Oh my God.